Hi, I'm Ishana Passi and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Today we're going to make the creamy Cajun spice pasta. The ingredients needed for the creamy Cajun spice pasta are take a large pot and fill it in with water. Once the water is boiling, add in your spaghetti and cook the spaghetti until it is al dente. Once the spaghetti is ready, drain the water and set it aside. Now, in a large pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add in the mushrooms and sprinkle with Cajun seasoning. Add in the bell peppers and saute for another few minutes. Add in the garlic and oregano and saute for another 20 to 30 seconds until it is fragrant. Feel free to add in more Cajun spice if you like. Add in the cream and give it a nice mix. Now add in the milk and stir it well and bring it to a boil. Once your sauce is ready, add in the spaghetti and stir everything together. Your Cajun spice pasta is now ready. You can garnish it with oregano or some cheese if you like. Enjoy!